This is a short video demonstrating how CBU students can view and update their mailing addresses in BannerWeb. Being able to make this update is especially helpful when one or more courses requires a physical textbook from Follett. To begin, navigate to the CBU website and log in to My CBU. You will need your CBU email and password, and you will be asked to authenticate your login credentials. Once logged in, navigate to BannerWeb. When logging into BannerWeb, use your CBU student ID number. Your PIN is specific to this login screen. If you have forgotten your PIN, click the Forgot PIN button and follow the instructions to update it. From the Personal Information tab, select Personal Information. Then from the Personal Information screen, select View Addresses and Phones. Look for an address labeled Follett Book. If a Follett Book address does not exist, you will need to add it. This is the only address Follett will use to ship physical books. If the Follett Book address is where you wish to receive physical textbooks, no further action is needed. If you need to update this address or add an address altogether, return to the main menu and select Update Addresses and Phones. From the Update Addresses and Phone screen, select Follett Book from the type of address to insert drop-down menu. Then fill in the required fields. When updating an address, address line 1, city, state/province, and zip/postal code are required fields. Also enter the current dates for valid from this date and until this date text boxes. An approximate until date is fine. Note that a phone is not required. When you are satisfied with the information entered, click the Submit button. If you live on campus and want physical textbook delivered to campus, enter CBU mailroom in line 1, Christian Brothers University in line 2 and 650, East Parkway South in line 3. The city is Memphis, the state is TN, and the zip/postal code is 38104. Please note that if you drop a class after books have shipped, you are responsible for returning the books to Follett. And that's how you update your address in BannerWeb.